Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2000 Harley-Davidson Road King. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2000 Harley-Davidson Road King with 39,514 miles runs well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, mirrors, chrome passenger floorboard covers, and saddlebag guards. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road King puts 67 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Road King has a 180 to 200 mile range. It has a 26.9 inch seat height and a 710-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, shifts, and handles well, but our technician noted that there are motor ticks, the exhaust pops on deceleration, and there's a noise coming from the cam chain tensioner in the primary. Additionally, the rocker box, primary gasket, and shift shaft seal are seeping oil. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the front fender, paint blemishes on the rear fender, chips on the right saddlebag, and scratches on the right saddlebag. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.